So the next part within the machine type is selecting the CPU platform. And the CPU platform simply has its own peculiarities regarding what type of Intel processor do you want to be using. And so you may be running certain workloads that are very dependent on, let's say, clock speed or things like your base frequencies, your single core max turbo frequencies, very specific workloads. And so having certain types of CPU platforms may be more efficient or beneficial to that workload. The great thing is that selecting whatever platform you want does not change the price. So you can select Skylake, Broadwell, or Ivy Bridge. So within the documentation, you'll note that certain types of CPU platforms are only supported by a set of certain machines, and they have their own peculiarities when it comes to things like frequencies and gigahertz. So what you'd find is like your Haswell processors tend to have slightly higher frequencies than, let's say, your Broadwell or whatever it is. So if this is something that you're very dependent on, you have the option of customizing your configuration and machine type to fit your needs. So once again, the type of CPU platform is linked to the region that you're in. So if you're in Taiwan, you get the ability, you have Skylake, Broadwell, and Ivy Bridge. But if you select Mumbai, you only have Skylake and Broadwell. You do not have the Ivy Bridge option. So that's just something important for you to note as well. So remember, the region selection is pretty important.